How to add education on your profile on the REDnote app. What's up everybody? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add your education on your profile on this REDnote app. REDnote is a short form video platform that's getting popular nowadays. So if you want to add more information about yourself on your profile and want to add your education as well, REDnote provides that features. So go ahead and open the app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, on the bottom right, you'll find the Me tab. Go ahead and tap on it and it will take you to your profile. Now, once you get to your profile, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on edit profile, or you can just tap on this profile button right here. And once you tap on it, it will take you to your profile info. And here you will be able to see your bio, gender, date of birth, job, location, and then finally here is education. So if you want to add your education, just tap on it. Here you can choose your school's name. So search for your university or something. And once you do that, tap on the search button. And if it shows the result here, you will be able to add it on your profile. So here I'm just going to select a random school, and you can also add your enrollment time like this and tap on save. And once you do that, on the top right corner, you'll be able to see the save button. So just tap on it and your education will be added on your profile. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.